Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find a solution for the 13th question in exercise 5.3. Find dy by dx given y is equal to cos inverse of 2x by 1 plus x squared. So let's start with a simple change. So x is going to be written as x is equal to tan theta. So wherever there is x, let's replace it. So the value of y is now getting changed as y is equal to cos inverse of 2 tan theta, the whole thing divided by 1 plus tan squared theta. Now this means y is going to be equal to cos inverse of, remember 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan squared theta is sin 2 theta. So this is cos inverse of sin 2 theta. So if we get cos inverse of cos 2 theta, it will be easier for us to rewrite or simplify. So let's modify sin 2 theta with respect to cos. So y is going to be equal to cos inverse of, remember cos is going to be 90 minus sin theta. So I'm going to write the sin 2 theta as cos of 90, I'm replacing as pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So now y will get simplified as pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now let's find out what is the value of theta. X is equal to tan theta means theta is equal to tan inverse x. So y is now reduced to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse of x. So now that we have got this value, let's compute y dash. See, differentiation of pi by 2 is a constant, so it's going to be equal to 0 minus 2 into differentiation of tan inverse of x. So this is minus 2 into differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x squared. So the final value for dy by dx is minus 2 divided by 1 plus x squared. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 14th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.